morning students. Welcome to the EVS class. This is Poonam Sagar, your EVS teacher, and I hope you all are fine at home and studying well. So let's begin with today's class. So students, today we will start a new chapter which is chapter 15, types of clothes. So clothes. Students, we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. We need clothes to protect ourselves from heat, cold and rain. So we wear clothes according to the season. See, look at the board. Types of clothes. See, clothes based on season and clothes based on geography, traditional and culture. Next, clothes based on work or uniform. See, number 1, clothes based on season. We have mainly 3 seasons: summer, winter and rainy. We wear clothes made of cotton and linen in summer, like cotton, linen. Cotton clothes is made from the cotton wool of the cotton plants, and linen is made from the flax plants. So you can see, I am going to show you. Can you tell me what is this? It is t-shirts, right? It is t-shirt. Generally, in which season we wear this? Can you tell me? Yes, correct. In summer season we wear t-shirts, right? Now, see here, cotton and flax are spun into threads. Then cloth is woven from these threads by hand on looms. It is also made by machines in the mills. Cotton and linen clothes keep us cool. We wear now. See, in winter, we wear woolen clothes in winter. See, students, I am going to show you something. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is sweater. In which season we wear this? Can you tell me? Yes, correct. In winter we wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes in winter. In very cold places, people wear clothes made of fur. Wool is made from the fleece of sheep and goats. Students, silk is made from the silk cocoons of the silkworm. People knit woolen clothes by hand. They are also made in factories. Woolen and silk clothes keep us warm. Right? Now see here, rainy season. In the rainy season, can you tell me what we wear? Yes, I am going to show you something so that you can tell me what is this. Can you tell me, students? In which season we use this? What is this? Yes, correct. It is raincoat and we wear it in the rainy season. Correct. We wear in the rainy season and we use umbrella also, right? So in the rainy season we wear rubber or plastic coats over our clothes. These coats are waterproof. Water does not get through these waterproof clothes, known as raincoat. These clothes keep us dry. Okay. So that's all for today, students. Now read this chapter 2 times at your home as your today's assignment, and next topic we will complete in next class. Thank you and have a nice day. Take care.